to another video, guys. Today we are going, as you can see, to the BMW versus Porsche event. Never been to this event. Don't know how big it's gonna be. Don't know if it's gonna be small or big. But the hardest decision was, am I gonna take my BMW, the 335, or am I gonna take the Porsche? I'm gonna take the Porsche today because I never took it to a car meet. So this should be interesting, man. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's gonna be some sick cars there, hopefully. Let's go for the ride. That's my dog in the background if y'all here. Y'all wanna see my dog, man? Say what's up, Cookie. Say what's up. Say what's up. Yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This video gonna be another banger, another car event. See you there. Yeah. Is it a comfortable car? It's yours? Is this your car?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's a comfortable car.
I was looking at buying a Macan, but...
Yeah. This is sick, yo. You got them wheels hard as hell, ain't it? As I ride it, was talking about... I wonder what it's called, though. That shit's sick. MC20. Oh, that's the 570S right here. You rocking with... Man, that color's sick. Yeah, that's a Lotus Flower Bomb right here. I'm not really a fan of what color wrap that is. AMG. Let's go get that, babe. They having a red board?
You got room. Come on, a little bit more. Alright, stop. You got plenty of room up here, man. You got walk up. Yeah, you got it all the way, man. Yeah, keep on turning. You got it all the way. Keep on turning. Yeah, you got it all the way. Literally, you got it all the way. Yeah, this thing is turned tight. Going out that way? Got you.
That thing got a damn turning radius on it.
Yeah, that's a little tight.
That's the other one that was revving right here. They was having a rev battle. That's what I want right here. I've never seen a GT2 in person. Huh? Oh, that's sick. I've never seen it. I don't usually see these in person. You always see the GT3, but never the GT2. Lambo coming. Get my thumbnails.
Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Only thing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my dream.
My boy Josh Laurent. That GTR look kind of fast. Sick as hell. Huh?
What do you guys say, mint?
Mint. It's crazy. It's giving retro as hell. This is the R32 right here, hiding in the cut. I don't know what it is, but I love the sound of cars. I don't know, I always like these. A car seat could fit in here, right? This thing is hard, dude. Interior is nice. This is the best car to show, though. This right here, the best car to show. It's gonna be on more views soon. Still might be.
What's this, M4?
M4. The setup on this is like perfectly what I want to do.
Damn.
It's 48. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. It's like a 48. Ozzy. Best car here again. Maserati. Get it. This thing right here is super clean. I will honestly take one of these any day. Oh, it's a female German car. Super. That's it, just make noise. Alright guys, we're pulling out now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a random car meet, dude, but it turned out to be some fire shit here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed those pullouts I got for you. But yeah, you can expect more of this type of content, more cars to come to the channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace. Check that out before y'all leave though. Now y'all can go.